Okay, hello. This is Amelia from Thesis Video Tutorials with another video in the WordPress Beginner Basics series. And in this video, we're just going to show you how to add a new user to your site. Okay, so there are a couple of ways to do this. We've got the add new here, so add new user. And the other way to go about that is to add new users from this tab here, and the last way is if you went into all users and click add new user. So we'll now go in and add new user. So this is the page to be able to add all the details, and there are a couple of required fields, so a username and an email and a password, and the rest of the details are fairly optional. So we enter the username of the new user here, so this will also be used as the login name for the user. Now once you have saved this and added new user, this cannot be changed. Okay, we then have the email address, so this is it needs to be a valid email address as well, and it must be unique for each user. So if a published post or page is authored by this user and approved comments are made to that post or page, an email is sent to this email address that you add in here. The next one down is the first name, so obviously the first name of the user and the last name, the website of the user, so in case they have a different URL to the website that you are in at the moment. The password, so you need to enter a password for the user twice here, once in each text box, and the strength indicator will let you know if a password is weak, medium or strong. The stronger the password, the more secure the login is. Now the password needs to be at least 7 characters long. To make it stronger, try and use some uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and maybe even some symbols in there. Okay. The send password, so you check that box to send an email to the user who you are adding in, so they will get details of their username and password, and you can select their role. So you've got a list of roles in this drop down list here, and I went through those in the last video. And then all you would do is just click add user, and that's all you need to do. Okay, so once you've added in a user, and you may have a few users in there, people come and go obviously, and you'll need to delete that particular user. So I've just quickly added a user in just for a test scenario. So if you wanted to delete a user, just go into all users. And yes, it is the same gravatar because I use my gravatar for a couple of different email addresses, or my icon I should say. So to delete a user, we just click on this delete here, and it's going to give us a little confirmation before we go ahead and delete it. So it's asking us what should be done with the posts and links owned by this user. So we have a couple of choices available: the delete all posts and links, so this will delete all the content that this user has created. Attribute all posts and links to, so we can assign all the content currently linked to this user to another user that we decide on, and at the moment we've only got admin, so that's the only thing we could possibly do. So we'll just select on that and confirm deletion, and that has removed the user there. So that was just for an example. Okay, so in the next video we will go through editing our profile, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.